Hi everyone, this is Bai Rizalo again, and for today's vlog, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Premiere when you are ready to upload your videos. But what is the importance of doing a Premiere? Because Premiere allows us to interact with our viewers in the same time like watching a movie. And the cool part about having a premiere or setting up your video as a premiere, it's because it allows you to schedule an upload and give your viewers enough time to share your video to their own community. Okay, so assuming that you are logged into your YouTube channel, so press YouTube Studio and then press video. On the video that you want to premiere, under visibility, you can see private. Press the drop down button and then press public and then schedule. Okay, so when you get to this screen, you'll see this scheduling. So this is where you're going to be careful because this date and time are default and it usually default to the next day at 12 o'clock a.m. I just like to add, guys, that if you want to set your premiere as an instant, for some reason, like you just have to upload it and you still want to connect with your viewers, then you can just press that box as set as an instant premiere. But then again, always remember the purpose of the premiere that you want your viewers to have enough time to attend to your premiere or to share your video or your link to their community. So when you are preparing or scheduling your premiere, make it sure that you give them at least 15 minutes or half an hour for them to prepare or to share your link to their community. Okay, so at this point, you already choose your date and your time, and make sure that your time zone is correct, which is this is set to EST. So press that box which said set as premiere, and then schedule. Okay. After you set up your premiere, your video should look like this, with the premiere word in the bottom right. And if you try to play your video, it won't play. Instead, it's going to show the timestamp or the time remaining before your premiere. So, for example, you set it to 30 minutes after, then it will show their premiere in 30 minutes or premiere in um, um, 9 hours, something like that. So, it's like hours. And then it will give you um, like a warning if it's almost going to start, okay? Just like normal uploads, your viewers is going to receive a notification just like this one, okay? So at this point, you only have few seconds for your premiere to start and it should give you a 2-minute countdown. It's like a last call or something. But anyways, your viewers can join your premieres anytime during the whole time that your premiere is ongoing. That's it, guys, for my Premiere tutorial. I hope you learned something from it. And if you need more of this kind of tutorial, please comment down below. And please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you. Bye.